Things that you are scared to say, but I will say it.
We from Brooklyn. I'm from Brooklyn.
Part 1. So 1, everyone's talking about Cara Delevingne, but everyone kind of forgot about her. So I think that was the purpose of her acting so strange. And also, it might be the D word. Remember the war on it in the 90s when they arrested everybody that looked like me for it? Yes, Cara looked like she's really on something. And I don't want to hear like mental health. It's always mental health in 2022. It's not that. But besides that, she's been doing this for a long time. The first time I remember seeing her, she was doing this to Rihanna. Yep, many moons ago, Rihanna and her used to hang out. And I also want to say this. So that's 1. I'm not going to go hard on Cara because if she's in fact doing what I think she's doing, I don't want to make fun of her because that's not funny. Actually, she needs help. She needs help, and it's probably a cry for help. Instead of making fun of people, making videos and making TikToks, oh my God, she's acting weird. How about we help people? Because I know a lot of your moms act like that. Your aunts and your uncles act like that. But anyway, number 2 is, I hate to talk about Rihanna, but Rihanna, every footage I see of Rihanna ASAP is giving me Bobby Brown and Whitney Houston vibes. Rihanna always has a wine glass in her hand. And y'all just don't remember Whitney and Bobby, huh?
I ain't chase you nowhere.
Chase me.
Hey, man.
I like these plates.
Aren't they cool? House is empty.
That's how we gonna do this.
I just want you to think about Whitney and Bobby when you see ASAP and Rihanna, because that's what I see when I see them. And I don't know if it's just me, but it's just what I see, and I just do it. Also, the City Girls' whole face has changed. And it's crazy how y'all look up to people. Most of the people in the rap industry are criminals. The City Girls mugshot went viral, and they was making fun of them before and after. But I will say that most artists have had plastic surgery. Even your favorites, even the ones that you think would never do it, did it. Everyone, including Megan, the City Girls, Cardi B. Cardi B face changes every year, and no one notices. And I'm starting to think that we are either ignoring it or we really are in Hunger Games and we're just like, oh my God, I need to get my face done too. And I'm just concerned for the future because the children, by next year, Cardi B will be a different race, a different species.
You let me say something. All right, so can you be quiet? All right. So why you can't shut the fuck up? Why you can't shut the fuck up? Yo, you's a fucking bozo bitch.
And it's just like, come on. So those are 3 things I just want to bring up to you. Maybe there'll be a part 2. Maybe there won't. Let's see how good this video does. So 1, Cara Delevingne needs help. Or something else. Rihanna and ASAP give Whitney Houston Bobby Brown. And last but not least, all your favorites have touched yourself in one way or another and paid to be perfect. So don't compare yourself to someone that you don't know. Because in fact, they don't even know who they are. That's why they're carving up themselves. So once again, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time.
From Brooklyn. I'm from Brooklyn.
Line, I'm climbing, I'm shining. Reminding you who the fuck that I am. Let you London, gold and diamond, green veins with money signs instead of